Hi everyone, Mike here from MyKeyReviews. In this video I'm going to be showing you the Mario Kart circuit set by Hot Wheels, which retails in at around $79.99. The age recommendation is 5+, and that's probably because obviously Hot Wheels, there's a lot of fast moving parts, but not only that, there is some spinning mechanisms here. They are, it does feel like silicone, but still, you know, you don't really want your little one's fingers getting caught up in that. So, you know, any young children, make sure you supervise them, or of course, join in on the fun. So there are actually two add-ons as separate purchases you can get to go alongside this. One is the Piranha Plant, which spins around, potentially blocking the carts from going past. And with Thwomp, basically the grey block, there's a chance that it'll fall down on your character. Once again, potentially blocking it from passing. One thing to also remember is this one in particular does require 4 D-sized batteries. Especially if you're getting this as someone as a gift, you don't want them to open it up and not be able to play it, because you won't be able to play with it unless it's powered up. As for setup, it probably took around maybe between 20 minutes, half an hour. I think the worst frustration that we had when doing it was the stickers, because they seem to be miscut quite a few in quite a few places. So I wouldn't say that a lot of parts have a nice clean look, which is a little bit disappointing, but if you don't really care, then that's not really going to be an issue. I don't know if that's just my set or if it's going to be for everyone's, but just bear that in mind, that that's a possibility. But overall, putting the circuit together wasn't that difficult. So obviously this is Mario themed, and there are some iconic features about this. So first of all, we have the spinning coins. So as the carts pass them, they will spin. They don't seem to have a lot of rotations to them. It's normally about like 1 full rotation, but it's still pretty cool to look at. And just over here we have a mushroom house, which is just for looks more than anything. Just past this we have the boosters, which will give the carts enough power to not only make it past this bit of track, which the carts actually go upside down, but along the straight, past the finish, and do a whole lap. It will basically get it back to the booster, so it can continue that lap process. So just past the straight here, we have the finishing line, and this is the other feature, these flags here. So they start up all the way up to the top, and as a cart completes their lap, it will drop down. And whoever gets to the bottom first wins. Which brings on to the next thing, the little Koopa shells, or well, you've got these buttons here which have got a little Koopa shell stickers, and that controls a little flap on the opponent's side. So the whole point of this is to try and knock them off the track. Now it is actually possible to knock them into this little docking station. That has only happened once. Because of like how fast they're going, and I wouldn't say the flaps have much power, so most of the time the carts will just go straight through them. Now and then it'll make them off balance and will knock them off, but I personally think that this is one of a bit of a design flaw. It could be a little bit tougher in my opinion. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So to start off the characters, you just have them aligned up here, and then you have the big mushroom buttons, and you press that down. This also requires quite a bit of force, and if you don't get that right, it's not even going to make the first part of the track. I can imagine like more like younger kids, and they may have an issue getting that power, so they're gonna really have to thump it. But just as an example, there we are, and we'll try with Mario. Okay, I actually made it this time. So what we're going to do is put this up. That one's already up, and we're going to turn it on and get a few laps in. We're going to line those characters up there. Turn this on, and oh no, Mario! There we are. And then you can try and knock them off. There we are, so we managed to knock Mario off, and it looks like Yoshi is the winner. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So you know, hopefully this video has helped just to give you an idea of the layout, what you need, and just kind of, you know, what it has to offer. It is a pretty expensive pack, but that's probably down to obviously with the cross branding. But nevertheless, it's a good track to have, and I think that, you know, a lot of the younger kids are going to really appreciate that. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching this video, and hope to see you on the next one.